Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a multiple choice question in Qualtrics and how to add automatic choices for that multiple choice question. So we'll start off with creating a new question, and this is in a blank survey project. That's what you'll need to start off with whenever you start your survey. And so we'll just go and create a new question. It's already selected multiple choice as the question type, but I want you to understand that there's multiple options that you can choose from whenever you select a multiple choice. My typical choice to go for whenever I do a multiple choice question is this single answer horizontal. And I do that because it's very easy to read. It's really nice. It doesn't take a lot of space. If you use the vertical, you can see here that especially if you added all 7 choices like we have in the first question, that it would be very long on the page. So what I like to do is I like to make it vertical or I like to make it horizontal. And so now that we have this click to write question text, and then we have click to write our choices. Well, what we can do is we can already include automatic choices. And this goes from strongly agree to strongly disagree, but we want this to be in reverse order. So you would click this arrow here, and it's going to give you this pop-up where you can then select reverse order. Also in this pop-up box, you can select different types of choices. So there's many different ones: unlikely to likely, unhappy to happy, useless to useful. And so you can see that it would be really important if you have different types of questions, that these choices that are already available to us, we could just use those instead of creating some type of choice. So we're going to go with the disagree to agree. And so here we have our choices. What I typically like to do is 1 through 7 scale. So we go from strongly disagree, which is a 1, to strongly agree, which is a 7. And it's important that to know that you could do this as a 5-point scale, but I prefer a 7-point scale. You could also go more than a 7-point scale, but I think 5 or a 7 is really the best choices for us, for our research. And I would much rather prefer you to go with a 7-point scale, because you're going to get more variance. And that means that whenever you have respondents take your survey, there's going to be some that choose strongly disagree. You're going to have some that say somewhat disagree, agree, strongly agree. So you're going to have many different answer choices that you're going to receive. And so whenever you do this, it increases the variance, especially whenever you have a larger range of values. Your spread is much larger in this case. So I've shown you how to make automatic choices. I've shown you how to do the reverse order. And I've showed you that you could do either a 5 or a 7-point scale with these automatic choices. And I think that that covers our multiple choice to give you kind of a good idea of how to conduct or how to create a multiple choice question in Qualtrics. If you have any other questions about how to create a multiple choice question in Qualtrics, please email me at kt.manus@ttu.edu. Thank you.